Well, the man accused of allowing a dog attack that led to a dog's death made his first court appearance today. During Charles Nathan's arraignment today, he argued the charges filed against him were incorrect, despite his defense telling him to be quiet.
Totally different than what the officer arrested me for. This is insanity.
Mr. Nathan, please, just wait until someone from our attorney comes in, okay?
That's it. Very disappointed. That's it.
Nathan's bail was set at $250,000. As for the dogs involved in the attack, well, they are all in the Jackson County Animal Shelter, where they will stay for the remainder of the investigation. We asked about what will happen to those dogs, and we were told that they don't know yet, and they are still part of an evidence hold.
We care for the dogs, we feed them, we walk them. Sometimes they're here for a while until the case is resolved. And up until the case is resolved, all we do is care for the dogs.
An evaluation of the dog's behavior will determine what will happen to each dog following this investigation. Whether that means they'll be euthanized or be eligible for adoption, all of that will have to be determined. Veterinarians will be checking their aggression levels and behavior towards other dogs and human beings. The shelter will evaluate each and every dog. Well, it's another NBC5 News exclusive. A former City of Medford employee may sue the city after he allegedly suffered from racial discrimination and unlawful employment practices.
NBC5 News has learned that tonight the Oregon Bureau of Labor and Industries, or BOLI, has opened an investigation into the alleged conduct. We do want to warn you that some of the language used in the complaint is offensive. NBC5's Craig Smullen has the story.
City of Medford employees under fire, accused of spewing racially charged comments and using derogatory name-calling in the workplace. In a complaint filed with the Oregon Bureau of Labor and Industries, or BOLI, the attorney for former Medford Public Works employee Juan Vega says her client, a Hispanic man, was humiliated, offended, and isolated on the job. Among the allegations in the 6-page complaint, Vega says coworkers referred to him as Beaner, or the Mexican. And when he ate fruit at work, some coworkers would ask him if he picked it himself. When eating a sandwich, one coworker even reportedly said, quote, "I thought you guys only ate tacos and burritos," end quote. But Vega's attorney claims the racial comments inside Medford Public Works were not only aimed at Hispanics. Some employees also allegedly used the N-word when referencing the president, and even regularly asked another African-American employee if he, quote, loved fried chicken and watermelon, end quote. According to the complaint, Vega says he spoke up multiple times, telling the men their comments were hurtful and not funny. But he claims things really took a turn when he spoke up to a supervisor. Vega claims his supervisor told him he didn't want to hear the names of the accused employees because it would, quote, open a whole can of worms. Vega says he then was given the cold shoulder by coworkers and even questioned whether or not the brakes on a city-owned truck he was driving were tampered with because of how rare it is for a truck's brakes to go out. Less than a month after talking to his supervisor, Vega says he was fired. In Medford, Craig Smullen, NBC5 News.
The BOLI investigation could take up to a year. City of Medford Attorney Lori Cooper confirmed BOLI is investigating the claims, but declined further comment.